Hi students, welcome to Rise, the perfect guide to online edtech platform. Myself Vikram Reddy, lecturer in botany in Rise edtech platform. Today, simple tips and tricks in botany. The chapter is Plant Kingdom. Okay, now in the plant kingdom, bryophytes, pteridophytes, gymnosperms will be there. In exam point of view, gymnosperms are the most important. Number of questions will be asked from here. Okay, now chance to ask questions. Gymnosperms are examples and they are belongs to which classes. Okay, now, so how to remember the class names and examples? The simple tip is captain of cricket player given googly. Simple tip is captain of cricket player given googly. And that captain means C. Example is Cycus. Next, in cricket, C means Cedrus. In a player, example is Pinus. In the given means Gingo. In googly, G means Needham. So the tip is captain of cricket player given googly. Examples are Cycus, Cedrus, Pinus, Gingo and Needham. Cycus belongs to the class of Cycadopsida. And Cedrus and Pinus belongs to Coniferopsida. The class is Coniferopsida. Next, Gingo belongs to Gingopsida. Gingopsida or Gingophyta. Next, Needham belongs to Neatopsida. So this is the four classes. Cycas belongs to Cycopsida. Cedrus pinus belongs to Coniferopsida. Gingo belongs to Gingopsida or Gingophyta. Needham belongs to Neatopsida. So this is the most important simple tip to remember of gymnosperms examples. Captain of cricket player given googly, Cycas, Cedrus, Pinus, Gingo and Needham. For more tips and tricks, watch our YouTube channel. Thank you.